Good morning, my dear friends, and again broadcasting Yaroslav Shved's different kind of philosophical talks. Who knows? It might be useful for someone. Let's imagine you won the most expensive car. I don't know, depend what car you like. Maybe some Bugatti or Ferrari, whatever. Like most expensive, it cost millions of dollars. Maybe some really cool prototype car, or maybe you get it in a gift or anything else. So what will you do with that? We'll leave it on a street somewhere under sun and rain and so on, in a dodgy area where someone can scratch it? Oh, probably not, yeah. So we will take care of it or not if you get some gift. It will be cool if you already have like 10 super cool expensive cars, and I'm pretty sure you take care of it very well. So if you don't know what to do with that, like have no idea, probably you will talk to some specialist what will say, okay, yeah, you need put a certain oil, it's the best one, or you can mix it with another one, it will be not so good but still okay, or you can put some worse what will break your car sooner or later and it will be not so long in the same condition and can be right so fast and so on. It doesn't matter in what purposes you will use this car, just for try hook up a cool girl, or maybe using for the racing, but less likely, but who knows, get some more money. Maybe you rent it or make a super expensive taxi for the VIP customers, or maybe rent it for the movies. So I don't know, basically a lot of ways for get some money on some cars. Maybe if it's a prototype, maybe we'll go on an exhibition or whatever. So you got the most expensive car, maybe you will sell it or leave it for yourself. So let's say you decide to leave it for yourself, and a specialist says, so this is the best fuel you can put it and your car will be works really good for a long time, etc. Or you can mix it with a fuel with a less good quality, or you can put some really shit fuel and sooner or later your car stop breaking and so on. And let's say you're driving and you have a lamp, like some problem, I don't know, maybe overheat or something. So what will you do? Will you fix the problem with the overheat, or maybe lack of oil or anything else, or maybe just switch off the lamp? That's it. What usually we do with the medicine, we not sort the problem, we just try to fix the cause. If you have a pain, it means you done something wrong. That's why we have a really good teacher as a pain. But we usually just try take painkillers and don't care what we eating wrong food or so on. So probably you might be get what I try to say. So basically I read a couple really cool articles a while ago and just try to a little bit exaggerate it. Yeah, about the background video, never mind, it's again the crazy guy just training, so I record some trainings and see how it works. And you know, it was really useful because I saw like a lot of mistakes, I see I'm not working hard enough and so on. It's motivated me a lot, so basically you can do the same thing. So let's come back to your super expensive car. Will you put a shit oil in this car? So will you put some unsuitable petrol for it? Or depend what fuel it use and so on. So let's say a specialist said, if you will start the engine at least sometimes they have a right, cars will be works better and longer, because engine's supposed to work sometime and you need to charge a battery and make the whole electronic system works and make your generator works and so on. And if you will be riding fast, usually, so your car will be okay for riding fast, but if mostly you will be ride slow, more likely it will be riding more slow than others, and so on. So usually you can don't mind what your specialist said and do the things you think is right and so on. So basically what I try to say is exactly what we do with our body. We have a so great chance for have like a so cool body, you can make it even better, you make it stronger, you can make it happier. What we do? We put always a shit oil in it, make it deep fried and so on, and we put wrong fuel, what it's not supposed to be there, and after we like surprise why our car with super cool machine not working well, breaks all the time, give us a pain, headache and so on. So is it really logical? It's making common sense what we do to ourselves, yeah? So if we have a cool, expensive car, we take care of it, but we don't mind about ourselves, and we don't care about our body, about our health, about our mind state, and so on. So basically, I want to make like a super short video with really short philosophical speech, let's say. Actually, it's I done a lot. So if you like that content, so just give me a plus or whatever. Just comment anything, so I can make much more for you. So basically, you have this really powerful machine, this car you can enjoy in many ways. Just need a little bit take care of it. That's it. Okay, about the food, have many questions, what I eat and so on. Yeah, lovely morning. We have a lot of vegetables and different kind of fruits. So I buy like usually seasoned fruits because it's really cheap, affordable, and depending what country you are, because moving from country to country, like fruits, vegetables are different, it's quite enough. And yes, low carbs, really great source is a bucket. I love the bucket. So even a little bit like keep you not hungry for a really long time. So this is brown one, it means it's fried already. You can find the green one, more natural. You can boil it, tastes better, but usually I just put a cold water and leave it for 3 hours and you can eat it. And it digests super slow. It's a minimum 4 hours, you will be not hungry and have more than 10% of protein. So thank you and stay tuned.